everyone. So today we are going to learn how to dynamically switch between the legends in Power BI. So I have a scenario where I want to switch between the legends from months to weeks if I'm selecting less than 30 days. So right now, as you can see, my legends are in months, but if I reduce my dates, and now this is less than 30 days, so my legends automatically switch to weeks. If I increase this again, then it is month. If I decrease this again, then it is weeks. So we're going to solve this in Power BI right now, and I'm going to do this in a new file here. So as you can see here, I have imported the same data. I'm just quickly going to show you my data. I have date, I have item, and I have quantity. And I have created a calendar table. It has date, month and year, and week. So now, if you want to switch between the legends, you may have noticed that you cannot put more than one columns in legends. If I try to put week here, then it just switches to week and removes the month. If I try to put month again, it will do the same thing again. So, and also I cannot put measures in legends. So if you want to achieve this, then you need to have week and month in the same column if you want to switch between. So to do that, I have created a pseudo date table here. So what this table has is that it has date, a period type, and a period value. So for each date, I have two periods, a period for week and a period for month. So if I select one day, then for week it is week number one, and for month it is January. Okay, and if I select some other date here, it is just going to, oh, why I'm not able to select? Okay, I was not able to see this OK option here. If I select this, then it is week number 6 and month February. Okay, and I have already written the code for this. So what I'm doing here is that I'm first taking my min and max dates from my calendar table, and then I am creating a table here first which has three columns. One is date, month and week, and this I'm going to use for reference here when I'm doing a union of two tables. So in one table I have taken a new column here which is period type month, and for period value I'm passing the month value from here, and I'm doing a union of this table with another table where my period type is week and my period value is week from here. Okay, and this has given me this table. Now when I come to model, I have already connected my date, my calendar table with my date of the fact table, and here I have built an inactive connection because I just don't want to have data flow in between these two tables all the time. I'm just going to turn it on whenever I need it. Okay, so this is a both directional inactive connection where I have one on my calendar side and many on my date period slide. Okay, so when I come here, first thing I need to create my total quantity measure where I'm going to allow the data flow between my calendar table and date period table. Okay, so I'm going to take a new measure. So total quantity, calculate sum of quantity, and my filter function is use relationship. I am going to turn on the relationship of my calendar date and my date period date. Okay, so now this column I am going to use it here, and I'll remove the week from here. Now when I put the period value from here in my legends, it is going to put everything, the month and week as well. And if I want to filter that out, I am going to create a flag measure where I'm going to check the min and max dates from here, and if it is less than 30, then I'm going to only pass weeks, and if it is more than 30, then I'm only going to pass months. So I'm going to create that flag measure. Flag equal to var min date of my calendar date. Max date is max of my calendar date again. Now I'm going to calculate the date difference, which is date diff function. My date number 1 is min date number 2 is max date, and interval is day. Okay, so now I'm going to return and I'm going to write a switch statement. So for switch true, first I'm going to check what is the value of my date difference. So if my date difference is less than 30 and my selected value from my period type is week, then it is 1, because if it is less than 30 then I want to pass weeks only. And now date difference is greater than, oh, date difference is greater than 30, date difference is less than 30, sorry, date difference is greater than 30, and my selected value of my period type, it is month. Yeah, then 1, else I'm going to pass 0. Okay, so my flag variable is ready. Now I'm just going to pass it here in the filter panel. Filter is 1, flag variable is 1. So as you can see, it is months right now, and if I reduce this, where is weeks? No weeks. Yeah, weeks. I guess I didn't have any weeks in Jan data. Okay, I'm getting weeks, but there is still one problem here. If I am selecting the full range now, as you can see, my months are not sorted. Weeks are going to be sorted because they have a number in it, and 47, 48, 49, it is automatically going to be sorted. But for months, I'm unable to sort them. So I'm just quickly going to do that here. So first I'll just clear my filter here. I'm going to create a sorting column. So sort periods, if my period type is month, then give me just the month of the date. If the period is not month, then it is week, obviously. So just give me the week number from date. Date. Okay, now I'm going to select my period value and sort column by sort periods. Okay, so it has sorted and I have months sorted: Jan, Feb, March, April to December. If I reduce this, it is still sorted. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.